You're lying on the floor, bloodied and broken. You can't help but think this was supposed to be an easy job. How did it come to this? Today we are talking about PC deaths and how to deal with them. Let's go. First of all, there are two basic ways to die. The first is to drop to 0 hit points and fail 3 death saves. The second way to die is to take damage equal to 2 times your HP. That is an instant death. Now, any other methods of death are occasional or up to the DM. Firstly, it's important to go into the game with the whole party aware of the stakes when it comes to PC death. If the party isn't aware of the stakes or half the party is expecting a breeze, a beer and pretzels kind of game, then when you start dropping their characters, it's going to be a shock. Some players will want high stakes games and others will want a way to relax once a week. Make sure everyone is on the same page and the character deaths can just become part of the story. Second, this is D&D. And magic is a thing. Sometimes, under powerful magic, PCs can be resurrected. This is up to the DMs to handle and how they want to do this. Is resurrection an easy task, or does it require expensive components? Are there roles involved? Challenges? You make the call, but remember, death isn't always the end. Tip 3 is to remind your players of the dangers. Make a preemptive decision to tell your players again about how dangerous this cave can be. Just that one simple task can mentally prepare them for the battle ahead so that if they go down, they knew the dangers ahead of time. When the DM reminds you of something, it's usually important. Hint, hint. Number 4, if death is that big of an issue, some DMs will opt for the homebrew rule of allowing them to roll on a dismemberment table instead. Allow them the chance to live, but they may lose an arm or a leg or maybe even their eyesight. This is a great way to allow the player to keep their character and instead force them into a new play style or roleplay method. This tip isn't for everyone, so remember tip number 1. And lastly, think about giving your players the chance for some final words. This one act can take a death and make it glorious. Let them insult the enemy, inspire their comrades, or simply tell them,
"Fly, you fools!"
It can give a death an honorable send-off. And there you have it. These are 5 tips for player deaths and dealing with them. Losing a character can be tough, but it's also part of what makes the game so fun. If there's no challenge, there's no satisfaction. Leave your own tips in the comments below if you think we forgot something or have one of your own. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feed your displacer beasts. And we'll see you next time, adventurers.